Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited today because I've got something truly magical to share with you. You know how much I love natural skincare, and today I'm going to show you how to make my absolute favorite skin whitening gel. Trust me, this isn't just any gel. This is a skin brightening miracle in a jar. This gel is going to be your new obsession. Seriously, once you start using it, I promise you'll fall in love with it just like I did. Imagine waking up every morning with a glow so stunning that you won't want to leave the house without applying it first. It's that effective. In just one application, you'll see your skin take on a whole new level of radiance. Imagine waking up every morning with a glow so stunning that you won't want to leave the house without applying it first. It's that effective. In just one application, you'll see your skin take on a whole new level of radiance. The best part, it's made entirely from 100% natural ingredients. That means it's safe for all skin types, whether you have sensitive, oily, dry, or combination skin. No chemicals, no irritation, just pure nature-powered beauty. It's like feeding your skin the best superfoods. Now, here's where the magic really happens. If you're dealing with dark spots, acne, breakouts, dull skin, pigmentation, wrinkles, or fine lines, this gel is going to be your new best friend. It works on everything. It will literally vanish your skin problems and leave your skin feeling smooth, fresh, and glowing like never before. So, what are you waiting for? This skin whitening gel is about to change your skincare game forever. It's gentle, effective, and trust me, once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Your skin will be glowing, and you'll feel more confident every day. Now, stay tuned as I show you how to make this amazing gel and how to use it for the best results. This gel is a total game changer, and once you try it, you'll be hooked. So let's dive into the preparation, and remember, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on all the beauty secrets I've got coming your way. Let's get started. Oh, and here's a little secret. When you apply this gel, not only will you see an instant glow on your face, but it also works like a natural blush. It gives your skin this beautiful, rosy radiance that looks like you've just stepped out of a spa. So if you love that fresh, dewy look with a hint of color, this gel is going to be your go-to product. Now, let me tell you something even more exciting. I've been applying this gel for 2 weeks, twice a day. It's been an absolute game changer. The moment you apply it, you'll feel this refreshing, cooling sensation on your skin. It's packed with natural bleaching properties that work to remove all that stubborn tanning, exfoliate away dead skin, and even clear out blackheads and whiteheads. And guess what? This gel does it all, naturally. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's a challenge for you. Try this gel, and I guarantee you'll be amazed by the results. Before we dive into the amazing recipe, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more skin-loving beauty tips. Let's get glowing. For this amazing skin whitening gel, we're going to use a few simple, all-natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. Each one plays a special role in making this gel so effective. Let's talk about them before we get started. First, we have Aloe Vera Gel, the ultimate skin soother. Packed with vitamins and antioxidants, it calms irritated skin and provides a burst of hydration. Second ingredient, glycerin, a deeply hydrating ingredient that locks in moisture, making your skin feel smooth and plump. It also helps enhance the skin's barrier, preventing moisture loss. Ingredient number 3, rose water, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm your skin, balances pH levels, and gives your face that refreshing feel we all love. And finally, beetroot juice, nature's brightening powerhouse. It not only enhances your skin tone, but also gives you a natural blush-like glow every time you apply it. Take a clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl. You can use fresh aloe vera gel from the plant or store-bought gel. Now, to make this gel even more moisturizing and beneficial, we'll add 1 tablespoon of glycerin. If you have dry skin, glycerin will deeply hydrate and nourish your skin. However, if your skin tends to be oily or combination, I recommend using just half a tablespoon to keep the balance just right. Glycerin is a powerful humectant that locks in moisture, giving your skin that dewy, glowing finish. Once added, mix it well with the aloe vera gel. Next, let's add 1 tablespoon of rose water. Rose water not only gives this gel an amazing, refreshing fragrance, but also adds a boost of hydration. It's great for soothing and calming the skin while balancing the skin's natural oils. Once you've added the rose water, mix everything together until you get a smooth, consistent texture. Finally, let's add 1 tablespoon of beetroot juice, the hero ingredient of today's recipe. Beetroot juice is packed with antioxidants and natural bleaching properties, which help brighten your skin and give it that natural rosy glow. Mix it all together, and now our beautiful, vibrant skin whitening gel is ready. Just looking at this gorgeous pink gel is enough to lift your mood. And now our beautiful, vibrant skin whitening gel is ready. Just looking at this gorgeous pink gel is enough to lift your mood. Store your homemade skin whitening gel in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will last for about a week. The cooling effect of the gel will also soothe your skin and reduce puffiness when applied chilled. Apply this gel in your morning and evening skincare routine for the best results. Here's an extra hack. Start by wetting your face, then massage the gel in for 5 to 8 minutes before rinsing off. You can use this gel twice a day because it's incredibly natural and gentle. The shine it gives your face is next level. Remember, nature has a solution for every problem, so please give this gel a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I highly recommend you try this gel. It's the best.